Hello, this is Peter from Man King Homestead. Today's Thursday. It started out around 50 today. It's in the mid-40s now, and it's been raining all day. It's going to be a little bit cooler after this, but it's not going to get terribly cold. It's supposed to be slightly below freezing at night, and around 40-45 during the day. The next 5 out of 10 days, we're supposed to have a mix of rain, snow, sleet, and freezing rain. So, spring's on its way, but it's not fully here yet. We have lost a lot of snow over the past few days. There's still some, but I would say generally we've got more bare ground than we do ground covered with snow now. So that's definitely a sign of spring. Little guy seems to be doing slightly better today. I'm still concerned over him, but not quite as concerned as I had been the past couple days. I'm pretty sure he does have something going on with his mouth, an infected tooth or something. Because I was watching him when he was eating this morning. He seemed to be eating along okay, and then all of a sudden he twisted his head like there was something painful in his mouth, and then after a few seconds he went back to eating the canned food again. I haven't seen him eating any dry food at all. It's just canned food he's eating, so I think that's why he was losing the weight, because I was just giving him, well, between the 6 cats, I've been giving them 4 cans of food a day. And where he wasn't eating any dry food, or I'm pretty sure he wasn't eating any dry food, just the canned food wasn't enough for him. So now I'm giving him extra canned food. As much as he wants to eat, I'm letting him eat, and he seems to be eating a decent amount of that. So I think that's going to help with that. Also, I had a donation towards his medical care. Thank you very much for that. That is very much appreciated. I wasn't able to get a ride to get him to the vet, and since I'm pretty sure that it is a tooth problem or something going on in his mouth, I ordered an antibiotic for him. It was, with the shipping, it was $72 for that. I paid the extra $10 to have it shipped priority mail, so it'll be here a little bit quicker. And that antibiotic is good for dental problems, tooth abscesses, and I've had cats prescribed that by the vet before. So I'm hoping that will help him out. He won't let me open his mouth to look in his mouth, but I did feel around his neck, outside of his face and stuff. And when I got to a certain point on the side of his face, he did pull away from me. So that is making me think even a little more that it is a tooth problem. I'll keep everyone updated on little guy. I have physical therapy tomorrow morning, and tomorrow, even though it's going to be cooler, it's supposed to be a clear day tomorrow, so hopefully I can get outside and do something. Make sure you keep watching in the coming days. There's going to be a new addition on the farm. Maybe I'll give you a hint to that tomorrow. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like my video, and please continue watching. That's it for today. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Have a good one.